Hemi44 gang. Hemi Texas. Stand up, let go. Blue thing don't stop. Yes, sir. Yeah. Ride hard, dart the car. Yes, sir. Blue flame don't stop. Yes, sir. Yeah. Ride hard, dart the car. Yes, sir. Yeah. Hemi like ride. Yeah. Hemi like yeah.
Hemi like 44. Like, comment, subscribe. Yes. Yes, sir.
44 gang was happening, man. It's your boy, Hemi like 44, back with another banger. You understand me? You understand me? Hey, man, but hey, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe, and browse. We're going up all 2021. And I do mean all 2021. First off, make sure y'all go subscribe to the family channel, man. Y'all support us all the way around, man. M&B Hustle. You understand me? If y'all want those dope videos, those funny videos, those bangers, other bangers with me, him and wife, and my kids, and all this other stuff, or whoever else we have in these videos, you understand me? Y'all subscribe to that channel, man. Let's help get that channel to 10,000, man. We're trying to get 10,000. We're finna be dropping more and more on that channel. Also go to Hemiwife44.com and get your merch. I got more merch dropping. I got dope merch already on the site. Y'all make sure y'all go rock with that. Pick that up, support the movement, support your boy. Please support me. You understand me? I appreciate y'all for what y'all do already, hitting the likes. Y'all make sure y'all like this video right now. Subscribe to this channel as well. You understand me? But first off, I'm just out here looking at my car, man. Really nothing too major, man. It's just, you understand me? I'm just showing y'all the whip, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all do know I'm thinking about doing a giveaway on them, you understand me? So therefore, you know what I'm saying, I keep her parked a little bit. I pretty much drive her like every other day or something like that. Not too much though, not too much. You know what I'm saying? Never mind my garage. I gotta clean all this stuff out. These chairs came out, even like, what in the world? Why is my hat down here, bro? You see how they do me? This is why I don't let my kids wear my hat. Look at this. This is a nice yes sir hat. This is on the website, matter of fact. You understand me? But, yes, sir, continue showing y'all this beautiful thing. I don't know why my flash is on. You know what I'm saying? But, yes, sir, man. Still looking good. I like. You understand me? You understand me? I like her. But, yeah, man. So, but this video, man, I didn't show y'all the car, but this video is something different, man. You understand me? But this video is for the real supporters, man. If you really support me, you really rock with me. This is kind of like a promo that, like a paid promo people do for YouTubers. People pay YouTubers to put, like, advertise what they doing on their channels and stuff like that. So this is like me paying myself. You understand me? You know what I'm saying? For this. And like I said, I never give y'all a video like this if I haven't gave y'all a video for the day already. You know what I'm saying? This is always a second option, like, just let me give y'all something else, just something different. You know what I'm saying? For the day. I already gave y'all a video today. Let me give y'all this for the day too. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, so I appreciate if y'all watch this video, man. This is a little bit about a little bit more about me that y'all don't know. Some of y'all don't know. I actually love doing this more than I love cars, man, which is the truth. I actually love this more than cars, which y'all will see. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe to my channel, man. Hemi the Drummer. Put it down below right there. Make sure y'all subscribe to that channel. Hemi the Drummer, man. Get me to 1,000, man. I'm trying to get to 1,000. That'll be greatly appreciated, man, if y'all can get me to 1,000 on that channel. And on the family channel, man, let's strive to get to 10,000, man. We got dope videos over there, man. Y'all go check them out. You understand me? We've been real busy lately. That's why we hadn't dropped over there recently. It's been a few weeks since we dropped a video on it, but they all bangers, man. Go watch them. We got plenty more coming. But yeah, so with that being said, this would be greatly appreciated if y'all like this video. You understand me? Comment, let me know what you think. You can't hurt my feelings. I'm not the best drummer in the world. I do know how to play, you understand me? So just if you feel like I did good, y'all just flood the comments, man. You know what I'm saying? This song right here, hopefully this video don't get copyrighted because we sounded kind of good. What they did, YouTube, anything that sounds directly like the song, they try to copyright you or whatever. But With that being said, this song right here is this song was fun, but we messed up a few times because this was a song that we threw in. We didn't rehearse it. We needed a song last minute. It was kind of like let's do this. And we hadn't done this song in a long time, so we threw it in, you know what I'm saying? And it was just, it was what it was. And it still sound good, but it was a few mistakes, which I don't mind showing y'all this. So anyway, I ain't gonna keep y'all no more. You understand me? Y'all just like this video, and I appreciate you. For everybody that do watch this video, I appreciate y'all, man. But let's keep supporting, you understand me? Keep supporting my channel so we can keep growing. Keep supporting Hemiwife channel, the family channel. Y'all support everything. We're going up out 2021. But I appreciate y'all. Let's get right into this video, man. Yes, sir.
Come on, stand to your feet. We're going to bless the Lord in this place. How many of you come to bless him? Put those hands in the air. Hallelujah. Y'all ready? I hear some singers out there.
Yo, say, kingdom praising.